the National Red Cross Youth Congress, and I am Maya, and I'm for RCY, Secretariat Committee in charge. And you should come with me. Welcome. This is Ambassador Hall of Manila Grand Opera Hotel. And follow me. Okay, so this is the Congress Hall. So as you can see, tonight will be the opening ceremony. We'll get some of the delegates, we'll interview some of the delegates para tanungin yung expectations nila para sa Congress. Rona! Yes! Rona is from Las Piñas. Kilala namin siya volunteer. Kasi nakasama din namin sa relief operations, and we're glad na nandito siya ngayon sa Congress. Rona, ano po yung mga expectations mo pala?
Makamit ng ibang youth from other chapter, then alaman pa about some info para sa Red Cross Youth. I sponsor.
Wow! So, mag-enjoy tayo. We'll get more of the Congress dahil may mga plenary sessions and may mga commission sessions tayo later on. And along the days will come, we have a lot of sessions, and we have a lot to offer the RCPs. Alam tayo po.
What's the name of the club? I can't remember, but it's alright, alright.
And Randy is the NYC PIO, and siya yung isa sa mga committee, pinaka-importanting tao sa Congress na to. And I would like to ask Randy, ano ba yung expectations mo for this Congress?
Of course, everyone expecting for this Congress to be a successful one. For us to meet the target participant, which is 100% participant for all chapters, 96 chapters.
Wow!
Of course, new knowledge, new updates regarding to youth program, our movement, beloved movement. Yun lang naman, successful yun, success.
Wow! Successful talaga kasi first day pa lang kung yung Congress. And masaya yung mga tao dito, atmosphere is masaya. Ngayon actually na pumupunta na sila sa mga rooms, at yung iba, it's their free time to like get to know others and to have bonding time. And Randy, thank you and good luck sa Congress.
You're welcome.
Thank you!